Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a straightforward process: how to send USDT from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this guide will make things simple and stress-free. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers, and with platforms like Crypto.com and Robinhood, it's easier than ever to move your assets around. First things first, make sure you have USDT in your Crypto.com wallet. Log into your Crypto.com app or website and navigate to your wallet section. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough USDT for the transfer. Remember, there might be network fees involved. Next, head over to Robinhood. If you haven't already, set up a crypto wallet on Robinhood. Once you're in, go to the deposit or receive section to get your unique Robinhood wallet address for USDT. This is crucial because every transfer needs the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back on Crypto.com, find the Withdraw or Transfer option in your wallet. Select USDT as the asset you're sending. Paste in the Robinhood wallet address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. Always double-check the network. USDT is usually on the Tron or Ethereum network, so make sure it matches what Robinhood supports to prevent delays or lost funds. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once you approve it, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Tron Scan if it's on Tron. After it's confirmed, log back into Robinhood and check your wallet. Your USDT should appear shortly. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred USDT from Crypto.com to Robinhood. This process keeps your crypto journey smooth and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.